What's up guys, highlands2hammocks here. We're joining you from Zurich today.
Yeah, Zurich's known to be quite an expensive city, but we are here to take you a tour of the city on a budget. All the best things we can see, all the best things we can do as cheaply as we can.
So we're joining you just now. We're at Fischer's Fritz campsite, which is about 4 kilometres outside of Zurich, and if you want budget accommodation, camping is always your best choice no matter where you go. We've always found it to be the best.
Yeah, so we stocked up on our breakfast last night from Lidl. We got 5 croissants, orange juice and coffee for 5 francs.
5 francs, not a bad start to the day. Alright, so we just got a bus. It's 880 francs for an all-day ticket, and you get a bus from the campsite right outside the doorstep straight into the town centre. And our first stop for the day is we're off to Focus Terra, which is a free museum, and apparently you can simulate earthquakes and everything in it. It's very, very cool.
Finished at the Focus Terra. It was brilliant. It's kind of like almost joined onto the university, so it's quite cool. And then we're going to hop to Lidl and get some lunch and then eat it in the botanical gardens. So we got 2 tubs of hummus, some bread, some juice, a donut for after obviously, and Campbell got a croissant because he was getting really hungry. So that all came to $7.60.
So we're chilling out having some hummus in the park, and we're just chatting guys about first impressions of a city. And sometimes you arrive in a city and it's just you absolutely fall in love with it. As soon as we got off the train in Zurich I knew that I was going to like this city, and it's just been confirmed it ever since then.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's just so clean. There is actually free things to do. You know, it's always you get this impression that it's expensive, but there's free things. We're chilling out in this garden here. So peaceful, so quiet, and it's just a beautiful place.
Yeah.
And then of course guys, no lunch trip to Lidl is complete without one of their famous donuts. Like, we lived off these when we were cycling around, and we can't break the habit, even though we're not even exercising anymore.
We did break the habit, but we're taking one in memory of them, and
yeah.
Maybe we'll get back into the habit.
Yeah.
They're so yum!
So what a beautiful garden, completely free as well, which is unlike anywhere else we've ever been. Coming from London, that's unheard of. But yeah, next stop we're heading up to the top of the hill in Zurich, where there is an awesome view over the river. We're sitting there last night chilling out, and it is a really, really nice view. Alright guys, we're back at the campsite now. We've got some dinner. It cost us about 8.50 in francs. So we've got some pasta, pesto, a pepper, and some beers and some chocolate. Already chugged some of the beers, but let's get some dinner cooking. guys, we've got dinner ready in the tent. Look at that, bon appetito. And that's us for this week. I know, it's huge, isn't it? That's us for this week. If you want to catch up with us next week, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch up with you then. Until then, stay chill.